What if I told you that getting stronger erections and a greater sense of relaxation doesn't depend on medicine or prescriptions, but on a simple natural oil applied in the right way? An ancient remedy, used for centuries, could help you regain your vitality. It may seem too easy to be true, but there is scientific backing behind the use of castor oil and a specific point on the body that can truly provide natural support. Stay with me, because you might discover a simple and natural way to improve your intimate life with a small but consistent routine. Let's quickly see how it works. If you want simple explanations to understand how to take care of your health, you're in the right place. Subscribe to the channel and start improving yourself today. Write in the comments which city you're watching the video from. I will personally greet you. The specific point where castor oil should be applied to naturally promote stronger erections is a small area located between the testicles and the anus, known as the perineum. It is a highly sensitive area, rich in nerve endings and blood vessels, which plays an important role in the functioning of the sexual apparatus. To apply it, simply use a small amount of pure, organic castor oil, preferably cold-pressed. Gently massage it with circular motions for about 30-60 seconds, preferably the night before bed or in the morning. Now you might think, really, castor oil in that area? How can something so simple make such a big difference? I want to help you understand why this technique deserves attention. Many men believe that erectile problems or loss of vitality are an inevitable consequence of aging, but that's not always the case. Often, there are factors related to circulation, minor inflammations, and cellular health that can be naturally improved. Regaining energy and confidence is possible, and my goal is to show you simple and natural strategies to achieve it. This simple castor oil application is one of the most effective and often most surprising natural remedies that exist. Many people, after trying it consistently, report regaining energy and confidence in their intimate life. At first, there is often skepticism, especially from those who have already tried expensive supplements or complicated methods without results. But with a consistent routine, day after day, improvements can come naturally and gradually. It is not a miraculous solution, but a real and simple support that helps circulation, relaxation, and the feeling of vitality. With a small daily gesture, many people have rediscovered a well-being they thought was lost. The improvement that many people experience is not the result of chance, but is based on very interesting scientific mechanisms. You might be wondering, okay, I understand how it's done, but why does it really work? Everything revolves around the properties of castor oil and the importance of the point where it is applied. Castor oil contains a component called ricinoleic acid, a natural substance known for its anti-inflammatory and relaxing properties. When applied to the skin, especially in a highly permeable area like the perineum, it is easily absorbed by the tissues, promoting muscle relaxation and better circulation. Even a slight chronic inflammation in that area can reduce blood flow and sensitivity, two fundamental elements for maintaining strong erections and good intimate health. By naturally reducing this inflammation, the body can regain its balance and a more complete sense of well-being. Thanks to the unique anti-inflammatory properties of castor oil, it is possible to reduce small blockages that hinder proper circulatory function, thus promoting natural and lasting improvement. It makes perfect sense if you think about it. When the area is less inflamed, blood can flow better and tissues return to functioning optimally, but it doesn't stop there. Castor oil also helps the lymphatic system, which is like the body's internal cleaning system. When this system doesn't work at its best, toxins can accumulate and cause congestion, even in the pelvic area. By stimulating lymphatic circulation, castor oil can help reduce this congestion and maintain a healthier, cleaner environment, promoting better blood flow and more natural intimate well-being. In short, it helps the body work as it should, simply and balanced. Ricinoic acid, combined with the gentle massage we discussed, can help relax the blood vessels in the area. And when the vessels relax, blood flows better. This means a richer and more consistent flow to the intimate tissues, promoting a more natural function and increased sensitivity. Improved blood flow also helps release nitric oxide, a key substance for achieving and maintaining a good erection. But it doesn't stop there. By improving circulation and reducing inflammation, nerve health is also supported, enhancing response and sensitivity. All of this together can translate into a more active, natural, and satisfying intimate life, with real and tangible benefits for those who consistently follow this simple routine. Many men desire stronger and more natural erections, and this simple method can truly help in that direction. By improving circulation and reducing inflammation, it provides the body with real support for greater firmness and better function. This often also leads to a feeling of confidence and spontaneity that was thought to be lost. But it's not just about strength. When nerve health improves and congestion decreases, sensitivity and pleasure also increase, making intimate moments deeper and more satisfying. All of this translates into a renewed sense of confidence, energy, and vitality, enhancing not only intimate life, but also self-esteem and overall well-being. In short, it's about feeling good with oneself again, naturally. Now that you know the reasons why castor oil can offer these benefits, it's time to see how to apply it correctly and safely. This part is essential to ensure that the technique is performed correctly and, most importantly, safely. Follow these steps as if we were doing it together. First of all, choose only pure, organic, cold-pressed castor oil without additives or solvents. Quality is crucial, especially for such a delicate area. Then, before using it, always do a sensitivity test. Apply a small drop on your forearm and wait 24 hours to make sure there are no irritations or allergic reactions. It's a simple but important precaution. If everything is fine, you can proceed with the application. Make sure the area is clean and dry, then pour a small amount of oil, about half a teaspoon, into your palm. Warm it slightly between your fingers to make it more pleasant and aid absorption. Then gently massage the perineal area, that is, the area between the testicles and the anus, with circular movements for 30 to 60 seconds. No need to apply pressure. It should be a gentle and relaxing gesture. Think of this moment as a small act of self-care, simple but beneficial. It is very important now to pay attention to safety precautions. This method is intended for external use only. It must never be ingested or applied inside the body. The oil should be used exclusively on the skin, in the perineal area, avoiding direct contact with the testicles, tip of the penis, urethra, or anus. It is essential to focus only on the external part to ensure comfort and safety. Additionally, it should be known that castor oil can weaken latex condoms, so if sexual activity is planned, it is important to apply it well in advance and wash the area thoroughly beforehand, or use non-latex condoms for greater safety. Regarding frequency, the ideal is to start with a single application per day, preferably in the morning, for 2 to 4 weeks, observing how the body reacts and then adjusting the routine based on personal sensations. Give your body time to adapt. If your skin reacts well and you notice benefits, you can gradually increase the application to twice a day. Remember, consistency is key. As with any natural remedy, results come with time and dedication. Don't expect immediate changes, but with 3 or 4 weeks of regular and safe practice, many men notice improvements in firmness, sensitivity, and overall well-being. Be patient and respect your body's pace. That said, it is important to always be cautious. If erectile problems are persistent, severe, or if you have conditions such as heart disorders, diabetes, or prostate issues, it is always advisable to speak first with a doctor or urologist. Only a professional can assess the situation as a whole and ensure that this method is suitable for you. Additionally, if you experience chronic fatigue, loss of muscle mass, or a marked decrease in desire, ask your doctor to also check your hormone levels. These symptoms could indicate other imbalances that deserve attention. Remember, Natural remedies can be excellent support, but they never replace a diagnosis or medical treatment. Taking care of yourself consciously is the key to lasting and complete health. Your well-being, patience, and the quality of your intimate life are too important to neglect. We have seen together what to do, why it works, and how to apply it safely. The path to renewed vitality, increased sensitivity, and a more balanced function can start as early as tomorrow with a simple and natural gesture. Don't let age or temporary difficulties define your quality of life. Regain your energy, confidence, and well-being. If you want to continue discovering natural solutions and useful tips for men's health, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with someone who could benefit. Taking care of yourself is the best gift you can give to yourself and the people you love.